Díodíobh agus fáilte arás go Gaeilge mo chroí, agus má tá tú nua anseo, dia duit agus fáilte. Gearraí seán inniu a chairde, mar níl mé acha géirí eolas ó thuairt faoi na ceardlannaí a bheithas ar fáil ar maithíú idirlín gaeilgemochraí.com. Tá Black Friday ar siúl ar maithíú idirlín gaeilgemochraí.com anois. Buúnúsáid as an chód aonne 15 aonne 15 le 15 faoin géad lascaine a ail ar na táirgí a lig ar maithíú idirlín. Tá má líne nólaigh san áú, tá geansaithe, copáin, hataí, wrapping paper, cartaí, mar sin deafar. Crí nófar an lascaine seo ar an dónach an tríú dúláide bhí na saona Maníthe Eastern Standard Time. Ar aileat. Tá trí cheardlan a gur ar fáil agam roimh an nólaigh, le fios a chur ar do chuid Gaeilge. Ní chaithfí tú fanart go dtí an bhliain uair. Bé na ceardlannaí seo ar siúl ar an sathairn ar líne. An chéad cheardlan a bheits ar siúl ná ceardlan faoin chapel ar an 9 lá is fiche de bhí na saona. An dara ceardlan ná ceardlan faoin mócanéalach ar an 6 lá nólaigh. Agus an tríú ceardlan ná have your first conversation in Irish ar an 10 lá nólaigh. Bé na ceardlannaí ar siúl ar feadh 3 uairichlaigh ach bé sos sa lár. Tá sófar iad ag an 3 am na héireann go dtí leathané a ceathair, an sin bé sos ar feadh uair go léith. An sin bé maidirráis ag 6 go dtí leathané a seart. Tá na hamanna ar an 5 in Eastern Standard Time. Tá €2 is fiche ar na ceardlannaí seo. Níl ach fiche spás ar fáil mar sin. Ceannaigh deafar. Rud bug níos mó álais a faoin na ceardlannaí iad hain, an chéad cheann ná an ceardlan faoin chapel. Have you ever wondered why some sentences begin with tá and others with is? Or maybe you know, but you still struggle to get it right. Ná bí buartha. Don't worry. This is one of the most common mistakes in Irish. So I decided to run a workshop to help you figure it out. There will be a variety of activities to really hammer it home. A good vocabulary is necessary, so this workshop is ideal for advanced beginners to lower intermediate. An dara ceardlan ná an cheardlan faoin mócanéalach. Whenever learners of the Irish language hear the two words mócanéalach, they either panic or run and hide. I have taught many students the mócanéalach at this point, and all of them go into the lessons scéabhlaithe, terrified, and come out saying something like, "Oh, that wasn't so bad," which is how you will feel coming out of this workshop. There is no reason why the mócanéalach should be infamous. We will cover regular, irregular verbs, and da. Emphasis will be on practice, speaking, so participation is necessary. Although we will go through all the steps, some prior knowledge of the mócanéalach is important. Agus an tríú ceardlan, an ceardlan dearannach, ná have your first conversation in Irish. This workshop is ideal for complete beginners who have learned some of the basics but never had a conversation in Irish. We will cover the greetings, introductory questions, and some common natural phrases that come up. A PDF will be provided with the dialogue, translation, and notes. Emphasis is on speaking, and participation is necessary. You will, of course, receive guidance and feedback. Mas mín leat spás a chur an áirithe, sé ag gaeilgemochraí.com/courses. Nílach fiche spás ar fáil mar sin deafar. Tá seans go bhfaca sibh na cuasaí córa a chuirméid ar fáil in mléana, chuirméid cuasaí córa ar fáil in mí ibrán go dtí míon bheithimh agus mí bhanfór go mí dhearthóir. Bé na cuasaí córa arás sa bhliain uair. You can sign up to get updates on my website.